Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find Pokemon vending machines. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is go to a website called pokefinder.app and then you'll be taken to this page here. So once you come here, it will say find Pokemon vending machines near you. So discover the nearest Pokemon card vending machines using our interactive map. So scroll down and go ahead and click on view full map. So now this is going to take you to your location. I'm in Australia and there's no Pokemon vending machines in Australia as far as I'm aware. So there's a lot in the US. So just type in your address and then see if there's any Pokemon machines near you. So for example, if I'm in Los Angeles, I'm going to put that in here. And now see if there's any Pokemon vending machines near me. So there is one here in Los Angeles. And if I zoom out, you can see there's quite a few here around me as well if I was in Los Angeles. So yeah, just simply go to pokefinder.app, put in your address and find your Pokemon vending machines near you.